Hello, my name is William Rosengarten. Welcome to the DDS commercial application. This interactive tool is for salespeople or anybody who's interested in Rockwell automation capabilities to affect maintenance, repair, and operations on customer sites. Our asset management solutions have allowed customers to reduce their MRO spend by 20%, reduce risk from obsolescence and missing spare parts, and modernize efficiently. After this video, you'll find specific use case and walkthrough videos for the reports that can be accessed using the icons, and any sales collateral is along the left. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you for your time.